Hello friends, I welcome you all to this video. So today math challenge is one equation for the algebra. We have to solve it. But the problem is the equation is x square plus 4x cube minus 3x whole square is equal to 1. X is a real number. If I expand this, I'll get an equation of power 6. So which is difficult for me to solve it. So I am thinking to use trigonometry. Let us check whether we are able to solve it. You can try using algebra also. If you are successful, write in the comment section. I welcome your feedback. So here I am applying trigonometry. That means I am taking let x is equal to xb cos theta. And before that, I should take care of what is the minimum and maximum value of cos theta. That is negative 1 to 1. So theta must be in between 0 to pi. It can be 0, it can be pi also. Let us check. So I am taking this interval from 0 to pi. It may be equal also, but I am not taking here. We may write also. So this expression becomes now cos square theta plus, now take care of this, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is nothing but your cos 3 theta. So this is the formula we have to apply here. So then only I can get a simplified equation. So cos 3 theta whole square is equal to 1. So cos square theta plus cos square 3 theta is equal to 1. Next simplification. Next again I will apply formula 1 plus cos 2 theta 2 alpha is equal to 2 cos square alpha. From this, cos square alpha can be written as 1 plus cos 2 is alpha by 2. So applying this, I'll change this both the expression. First one will be 1 plus cos 2 theta over 2, and second one will be half, not half, 1 plus cos 3 multiplies 2 cos 6 theta by 2 is equal to 1. Or this will be half plus half cos 2 theta plus half cos 6 theta equal to 1. All this equal to 1 plus half 1 cancel with 1. Half cos 2 theta plus cos 6 theta is equal to 1. Is equal to 0 by 1. So this gives us cos 2 theta plus cos 6 theta is equal to 0. Next formula I am applying cos A plus cos B equal to 2 cos A plus B over 2 and cos of A minus B over 2. So applying for this, it will be cos 2 theta plus cos 6 theta is equal to 0, or that will be twice cos 2 theta plus 6 theta over 2 into cos of 2 theta minus 6 theta by 2 is equal to 0. This gives us cos 4 theta into cos minus 2 theta. We know that cos minus theta is same as cos theta. So this is equal to 0. So either cos 2 theta is 0 or cos 4 theta is 0. to solve it, we have to take care of this interval. Theta is 0 to pi. So cos 2 theta is 0. That means 2 theta is equal to pi by 2. At pi by 2, cos 2 theta becomes 0, or it will be 3 pi by 2. 2 theta is equal to pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. That means theta is equal to pi by 4 or 3 pi by 4. And what is x? X is equal to cos theta. This will be cos pi by 4 and cos 3 pi by 4. Either pi by 4 or it will be cos 3 pi by 4. Now taking the value of cos pi by 4 and cos 3 pi by 4, cos pi by 4 we know that 1 by root 2. So this can be written as root 2 over 2. If cos 3 pi by 4 I'll take, that will be x is equal to cos pi minus pi by 4. That will be negative of root 2 over 2. So from this first one, I am getting x as plus minus root 2 over 2. Next, coming to second one, cos 4 theta is equal to 0. Cos 4 theta is 0, that means theta is in between 0 to pi. So 4 theta is equal to, it can be pi by 2, it can be 3 pi by 2, it can be 5 pi by 2, it can be 7 pi by 2. So theta can be pi by 8, 3 pi by 8, 5 pi by 8, and 7 pi by 8. Then what about x? X is equal to cos pi by 8, cos 3 pi by 8, cos 5 pi by 8. Cos 5 pi by 8 is same as your negative of cos 5 pi by 8. Sorry, 3 pi by 8. And cos 7 pi by 8 is negative of cos pi by 8, because pi minus pi by 8 is equal to 7 pi by 8. So I can write plus minus pi by 8 plus minus 3 pi by 8. How to get the value of cos pi by 8? Cos pi by 8 is equal to root over 1 plus cos pi by 4 by 2. This is equal to 1 plus 1 by root 2 over 2 square root. So that will be root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now on simplifying, I'll get 2 plus root 2 square root by 2. And about cos 3 pi by 8, it is equal to square root of 1 plus cos 3 pi by 4. That will be square root of 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 2. It is simplified to 2 minus root 2 by 2. So what are the final result? Final result will be plus minus by 2, then plus minus root 2 by 2. because cos pi by 8 is this and cos 7 pi by 2 will be negative of this. So it can be plus minus. Similarly, here also plus minus. So it will be plus minus 2 plus root of pi by 2. So this is the value of x. These are the solution. So I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching the whole video.